Passion players.
Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome back. If you're returning, I'm gonna try to talk in real time right now and speed it up a little bit. I'm gonna try to do my best not to do a voiceover this video. I really don't want to. I want to learn how to talk to the camera and get myself used to it. So if you like the SHMONEY green look you've seen, then keep watching because that's what we're about to create. I will make sure that I let you know what I'm doing while I'm doing it, and I will explain it better. Let's get started because I was excited. But I got this, it's called Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum, and it's for hydration. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna put this on my skin because I just did a face mask and I just washed my face, so I want to be hydrated. I record at the cameras because I'm trying to see myself. So it makes my face feel a little sticky because it's primer, but I feel hydrated, so it's, I don't know. Second thing I'm going to do is take my e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. And it's it makes you like, your face feel like butter, man. It makes you feel so smooth. I want to put this on right now, even though I'm about to do my eyebrows first, just because I want it to sit and soak into my skin so I can have a velvety smooth finish. Now let's get to the brows. Take the same palette that I used last time for my brows. It's just a cheap hard candy. I think it's like $12 at Walmart. So many people have YouTube channels doing makeup, but like, who cares? If you want to do something, just do it. Because if you don't do it, you're gonna wonder in life, what would have happened if I would have done what I really wanted to do? So just do it. Just do it. Let me tell you what I'm about to do first. I'm about to take this brown color, this deep brown color right here, and I'm gonna carve out the outer half of my brow and basically draw your natural shape, but fill it in, make it a little thicker and a little bit darker. And then I'm gonna take this lighter color and I'm gonna fill in the inner part of my brow, so it's gonna cause an ombre effect and it's gonna make it look a little more natural. Cause an ombre effect and it's going to make it look more natural, and then we're gonna clean it up with concealer.
Passion players.
Let me show you what this brush is. But it's just another, it's like a smaller angle brush. I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Medium Sand, and I'm going to carve out my brows. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take, now I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and I'm going to blend out this concealer that I have. Okay, the reason that I pulled the concealer down is to create a base for my eyeshadow, so I don't have to go in and use primer and do an extra step. My eyelid's one whole color and it makes it a little bit tacky so that I can blend my eyeshadow and then it'll be more pigmented, just like a, you know, a base coat, a one even toned base coat for my eyeshadow. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution palette. It's called All About Bronze, and I am going to take this darkest contour shade right here, and I'm going to put that in the crease of my eye. I like starting with that. I feel like it's a good transition shade. I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend this into the crease of my eye, and it'll cause a little bit of dimension. Okay, so now that I've got that all warm and toasty, take a deep green, and this is from Wet n Wild called, okay. This is from a Wet n Wild palette called Color Icon. I'm gonna take this deep green color, and I'm gonna put this in the outer corner, like the outer V of my eye. And I'm gonna work that in and blend it with this, just so it'll beep. Start over. That was a blooper. Okay, I'm gonna take this deep green color right here. I'm going to blend it into my outer V. It's gonna give me a smoky effect. Okay, so just watch me do this, and you'll see. Okay, you guys, my camera literally just stopped recording. I'm glad I saw that. So I hope that I took the SHMONEY green color that you see, this light green right here, and I patted it onto my eyelid, and then I took a clean fluffy brush, and I'm blending it all together now. And so basically I'm just gonna do the same thing to the next eye, and I'll speed this up.
Passion players. Passion players.
Now that I'm done blending my eyeshadow and everything, I'm just gonna clean it up with makeup wipe, and then I'm gonna start my eyeliner. I'm just gonna take my so now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. All I'm gonna do is put a line of eyeliner across my eye. So I'm going to do a regular top liner, and then I'm gonna let that dry, And once that dries, I'm going to put over my lash glue because I'm going to apply my lashes after that. So I'll speed that up. That's pretty basic. Then I'm going to take some mascara and I'm going to apply it to my lashes to get them ready for my false lashes. Okay, so now I'm gonna start on my face. Now that my lashes are on, my eyes are done. I'm gonna take. Lately, I have been using the MAC Studio Fix foundation stick. It's really dry and harsh on my face. I don't know why it's so hard for me to blend. So I'm going to try a new foundation, Maybelline SUPERSTAY Full Coverage, and I got this in the color 332, which is golden caramel. So I'm gonna try this new foundation out. This is a cheaper foundation anyways. Couple pumps, and we're gonna blend this out. This is easy to blend. It's pretty. This is real pretty. Now that my foundation is blended, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm gonna put this under my eyes. I'm gonna put it down the center of my nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that's it. And I'm gonna blend this out. This is the final look. My camera did die, so I think that I missed a couple steps on camera. What I did was contour. I finished contouring, then I went over that with a powder, and then I sprayed my face with Matte Fix Me. But yes, I really enjoyed filming this look. I love this shmoney green look. Yeah, I really think this turned out great, and I hope that somebody will follow this look and learn something from it, learn something from this video. And also, let me know in the comments something that you guys want to see next. I was thinking about doing like a color series, so like every week I do like a different color out of the rainbow, like bright colors. Let me know if that's something you want to see. I am definitely still going to record my eyebrow tutorial. If you're giving me feedback, I really appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, share. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.